Hello, I'm Matt and welcome to Badger Workshop. I seem to end up gluing up a lot of panels in my projects, and it's always hard to try and keep them straight. You might have seen me use things like a bit of railway line to keep them weighed down. I had a search online and you can buy panel clamps, but they're not very good for clamping up very thin material. I thought I'd have a go at making my own. I've got this 25mm square tube. Would have been perfect to cut this with is my Evolution miter saw, but unfortunately I'd already moved it to the new house, so the reciprocating saw had to do. I marked out where I wanted some holes to go, and then I could use a centre punch to mark it before taking it to the drill press. First I used a 3mm bit just to drill a pilot, and then I went back with an 8.5mm bit. 0.5 because I've got some M8 bolts to go through here, and that 0.5 will just give me that little bit of wiggle room. Use the random orbital sander to give them a bit of a clean up. See, the reciprocating saw didn't leave the nicest edge. I got a pack of 10 of these M8 bolts with star knobs on the end from eBay, so they're just long enough to thread through both bars. I also ordered 10 star knobs with nuts in for the other end, but unfortunately they sent me some M6 ones by mistake. So until they arrive and I can get that sorted, I'm just going to put some washers on and some wing nuts. The wing nuts will work fine, but star knobs would be better. I just want the whole thing to be toolless. Time to have a little test glue up of a panel. Now you see this is a very thin panel I'm gluing up. The commercially available clamps not only clamp a panel flat, but provide sideways clamping pressure as well. The trouble with that is, the wood needs to be at least 10mm thick for it to work. With these clamps, you can clamp as thin a material as you want. They're only acting to keep it flat, they're not actually pulling the joints together. So when I've roughly got both in place, I then get a couple of normal clamps on, pull everything tight, and then tighten these clamps up further. I left it all in the clamps for a few hours to give it a good chance to set up. Then I took all the clamps off so I could have a look how flat it's come out. With a straight edge on for reference, you can see it's not bad at all. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.